Hi, Kajabi's just released some really exciting new features as part of the Kajabi Evolve rollout. This includes the universal inbox and the comment to DM feature. So think Kajabi's version of ManyChat. And that's what we're going to take a wee look at today. So from the Kajabi dashboard, we're going to head down to marketing and universal inbox. Now, this feature is currently in beta, so there may be one or two further modifications as the feature develops. So first thing we're going to do, and we need to do, is connect our social media channels. So currently we can connect Facebook and Instagram. Now, it's worth noting you can only connect a Facebook business profile. You can't connect your Facebook personal profile. Now, I've gone ahead and already connected these two channels, but it's a really straightforward process, and Kajabi will take you through step by step how to connect this. So once these are connected, you can also disconnect any of these channels at any point. So if you go up to the top, click on the three dots to manage your integrations, then you can disconnect either Facebook or your Instagram account. So that's your first step, is actually connecting the two channels. Then once you've done that, if you go down to your automations and click on that, and you'll be able to see as part of this rollout, Kajabi have also rolled out visual automations, and we'll cover that off in another video. But this is basically where we're now going to set up the comment to DM feature. So if I click on new automation here, and then you'll get a number of different blueprints that will talk you through step by step how to set up this automation. So I'm going to do a Instagram comment to conversation. So we're just going to click on that. And then we can see we've now got a visual builder that we can start building out our Instagram comment to DM feature. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click here and we're going to set up our trigger. So the first thing we need to do is we need to decide which Instagram post that we're going to set this up on. So if I go into my Instagram account, I can select a post. And I'm just going to take this one here. And this was all about, obviously, the Kajabi Evolve rollout. And we're just going to select it. So it's now popped in that Instagram post. And then as we scroll down, the next thing we need to do is we need to select a word or words that customers can use in order to trigger off this automation. So I'm going to click on any comment and I'm going to use a specific keyword. So you can use up to 5 keywords. I would probably advise just using the one keyword in order to keep it simple. Now, this can be really useful for giving away any of your freebies that you may have set up as part of a lead magnet. So they may want to pop in the word freebie. I'm going to use the word evolve, which is the name of Kajabi's rollout. So what need to comment is evolve, and then this will trigger an automation. It also has the option you can exclude keywords, although I'm not sure how useful that might be. And once you've done that, remember to save your trigger. Okay, so we've got the first part set up where we've selected our post, we've decided which word or words are going to trigger off this automation. And then the next one, we're going to click on the next set where we can send Instagram a direct message. Okay, so this section is the message that people are going to receive once they have commented on your post. So in this section here, we are going to type whatever we want customers to receive once they've commented on your post. So as I say, this could be really good for freebies. So you may want to post in a link to your freebie. So I'll just thank you for your comment. I'll get back to you soon. And then you can also add in a button link. So in this instance, for my post, I wanted customers to comment evolve, and then the link would be to book a discovery call with me. So for the button link, you've got three different options. You can direct them to a Kajabi landing page. You can direct them to a checkout page if you want them to make a purchase, or you can direct them to a custom link. So that's what I'm going to do for this one. And then obviously paste in the URL that you want to link them to. So in my case, it is to book a discovery call. And then obviously give your call to action button a name. So I'm just going to say book your call. And then again, make sure you save the action. Okay, so that's the next section set up. And then last one is the Instagram reply. So you can reply with up to 10 different comments. So by default, we've got sent details, check your DMs. So this is the comment that customers will receive with whatever your call to action is. So I'm just going to keep it like that for the purposes of this, but you can add in your own replies. So once you've done that, then just click on Save Action and then click Save. Now, it's important to remember what Kajabi haven't done with this is they've kept it in draft, so you do remember to click Publish in order to activate the automation. So that's my automation set up. There's three key stages. So decide on which post you want people to comment on, add the word or the words that you want your customers to use. And then second stage, add in any links or comments that your customers will get back once they've posted this comment. And then the last stage is your Instagram reply. Click save and then don't forget to publish. So if I head over now to my Instagram account, and this was the post that I wanted people to comment on, and I've obviously put that into my actual Instagram post. So the word that I asked customers to comment was the word evolve. And then we're going to click post. Now this will take a minute or two to come through. And then that should trigger off the automation. And then in my messages, customers will get the attachment and the comment. So comment with, here's the booking link. And then we had that call to action button for book a call. So if I click on the button, that will then take me to where customers can then book one of my breakthrough calls. So that's it. That is Kajabi's new feature. It's the universal inbox and the comment to DM feature, a really, really useful feature that comes with the growth and the pro plans. And there'll be a whole host of different uses for it. So just really exciting to see that new feature being added in. If you like this video and find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.